Hello guys, welcome to Bland County Survivor Man. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, we got our first spring snowstorm coming in through here right now, and I'm trying to make it to work. As you can see from that picture there in the front, it's pouring snow. It just started snowing. It hadn't been snowing actually an hour yet. You can actually look out there and see what's coming down around me. There's no traffic in front of me because everybody's going real slow behind me. I do have a four-wheel drive pickup, but I'm not in four-wheel drive yet. It takes me approximately 20 minutes to get to work. So I'm just working on trying to get there. But just want to tell you this, make sure guys that you have a survival kit in your vehicle to survive with in case you get stuck or stranded on the side of the road. That's water and food and some way to keep yourself warm. I carry a blanket with me, and I've also got a pair of hunt coveralls and of course my boots on and my other jacket. So always make sure that no matter what in the wintertime that you've got some kind of survival pack or gear there with you, because you just never know when you're going to run up on a situation where you've either got stranded, stuck or something, or a traffic jam that just lasts for way too long. So guys, I'm going to turn the camera back around and let you see it. You can already see a vehicle right over there that's already off the road, and it's a four-wheel drive vehicle, and it's already been he's already wrecked it and messed it up, and I'm sure he wasn't going that fast. So we'll see what all we see going over here. See, somebody's taking a chance right there. They're in a big hurry. And that's why you have accidents. And here we are crossing the top of the mountain. Getting ready to. And I bet you it goes down to a crawl up here really quick. There's no doubt about it, guys. In a situation like this, if you don't need to go anywhere, don't do it. Because you can see right here just in a second, I'm going to turn the camera around and show you a tractor and trailer that's done down in the medium, or he's ran that thing off the road. It don't look like he's going to go hungry though. He's got plenty of chips on that truck. And the cops are out here now shutting the traffic down. There's the sheriff's office. I just seen them two eating lunch a while ago over at the Bland Court, so now they got a job to do. It was pouring the rain an hour or two ago. Now it's pouring the snow. And emergency vehicles cannot get to you, guys, when there's a traffic jam and you've had an accident. You might be there for hours or days. Always have your safety equipment with you and your survival gear. They're going to be there now for a long time. And that will be a miserable wait. Accidents. There's my survival pack. Supper and lunch. See how fast I'm going? I'm not going very fast at all. Do not get in a hurry in a snowstorm, especially uphill. If you get in a hurry going uphill, the hind end of that car is going to fishtail, or the front end of it won. It's going to throw you out of the road. I've done seen at least 15 wrecks before I've went 15 miles. And here we are at my work exit, so we'll get off over here and get on these side roads and see how bad that is. Like these folks are going home early. I don't blame them. If they're going north, they're in big trouble. Okay guys, it usually takes me about 20 minutes to get to work, and I'm not going to be late, it don't look like. Got a little bit of time left before I got a clock. And of course now I'm in a traffic jam because the tractor trailer's jackknifed right up there at the side of the road where we got to go to work. Guys, that's the way it is. Get out there in a snowstorm, don't do it if you don't have to. That's not the thing to be doing. Okay guys, this is where I work at. See if we can get in there. Finally got around that jackknife tractor and trailer down there. I just talked to my working partner there on second shift, and he says it's really piling down, and I advised him to go back home, but he says he wasn't, so here we go. Switch it over in four-wheel drive. It's the first time I've been in four-wheel drive this whole trip. Well guys, I made it to work. I'll let you see some pictures on my way back out there when I leave there, and let you see what it looks like, because this is probably one of the biggest snowstorms we've had here in the last few years. So I'll catch you later on. Well guys, it's about 2:30 in the morning. I'm just now getting off from work. We got 18 inches of snow. We had a couple people come in and been sitting on the interstate down there for 10 hours trying to get to work in this kind of a mess. There's no power anywhere in the surrounding counties, so I'm gonna see if I can make it all the way to the house and see if I can get a little bit of shut-eye. Absolutely a mess. There we are. That's what happens when you get out in a snowstorm. Traffic jam southbound. Cars stuck everywhere. The interstate's open on northbound side now, but the southbound side is just blocked. There's some tractor trailers right at the top of the hill there that just can't go anywhere. And the snowplow can't plow the snow off, so they can't, none of them can't go anywhere. Wow, look at that. Well, there's the snowplow, it's stuck. There's one truck leaning over on its side. Vans, jackknifed. Nobody's going anywhere that way. Look at that. Just hundreds of cars stuck in the road. Miles and miles of traffic jam. Hear them CV joints knocking on my truck. I got some brand new ones in here, but I ain't got them put on yet. There's one thing about it, you know, if you're out here stuck on the interstate, it don't make any difference whether it's summertime or wintertime. After about 10 or 11 hours of just sitting around, you're going to get tired, you're going to get grumpy, you're going to get hungry. So if you don't have any food, you're going to be hungry. No water, you're going to be thirsty. Nowhere to go to the bathroom or nothing. So that's just the way it is tonight. And it's been about 13 hours since I left home. Okay, now here we are going down my bumpy road home. Let's see what kind of mess we got going on out here. Guys, this is definitely a mess. It's going to take them a long time to clean this mess up. Looks like there's lots of trees that's fell into the road. See right there where they just, somebody cut one out of the road. Yeah. Look at this mess right here. Good Lord. There are absolutely trees everywhere. That's why we're not going to have power for days and weeks, probably. It looks like a war zone. It's not really safe for me to be out here doing this either. Those trees could fall right down on my truck while I'm coming through here. Okay guys, there we are, see? Now I'm blocked and I can't go anywhere. Don't have an axe or anything. Well, that's the way it is, guys. Now what am I gonna do? I'm stuck out here in the middle of the wilderness with widowmakers falling everywhere. No axe, no nothing. I guess I'm gonna see if I can call somebody to come out here and cut this thing out of the road. Well guys, it's about 18 hours since that snowstorm came. In about 5.5 hours, we got 18 inches of snow. This is what it looks like. There's no power anywhere in this county, or the county that's right there east of us. That would be Giles County. It's a major mess. We've got major roadblocks trying to go 77 south, and they've been there since now almost 18 hours sitting in the road and can't go anywhere. So that's what this mess looks like. But now I do have an emergency generator that I'm going to try to get started here in a few minutes and see if I can start pumping up some of my refrigerator and freezers, and try to get things going that way. But last night when I came home, there was a tree across the road, and I didn't have an axe or a chainsaw with me in my truck, and that put me in a bind. I had to wait and call the State Department and get them to come out and get that thing out of the road so I could get all the way home. Up the road here, there's power lines almost down there in the trees, and I see some kind of utility vehicle up there now working on it. So guys, I just wanted you all to see this snowstorm, the only one we've had like this in a long time. So guys, be careful out there. That's another tip from your Bland County Survivor Man. Stay warm and have a nice day.